Ooh. Ah. Oh. Ooh la la. Alright, we're ready for the next phase in my 3D printed fish feeder. And this is my aquaponics system that's outdoor. I got a 2-foot by 4-foot bed filled with hydroton, or a generic hydroton or something. And it's about half full with arugula right now. And it's approaching winter in Southern California. And then my fish are down below under this board. The see if I can pick this up a little bit. Fish are in a 40-gallon tank, and they're out there. I don't know if you can see them. I keep the board low to cover the fish, to prevent my fish from becoming fish food for some other critters running around the neighborhood. I printed these little brackets to hold the fish feeder. I wanted to be able to lift it up off the wood a little bit. When it rains, this thing will get very wet, and I wanted to make sure that the water didn't wick up into the fish food, and so this hopefully will prevent that. I've already mounted one of them. I have screws in the other ones, and this is going to take a few minutes, so I'm gonna get to mounting these. These standoffs here, I was going to buy these standoffs from McMaster Car, and they're 60 cents a piece, and I only needed 4 of them, and I was going to end up paying you know, $10 for shipping for $2.40 worth of parts. So I ended up just 3D printing these as well, and I had trouble getting the screw into one of them. I could probably make them better, but I just downloaded the model from McMaster Car and printed what McMaster Car gave me. Yeah, I get the motor controller mounted on top of the motor, and then once I get this all mounted here, I'll be able to trace out the cutout onto the board, and then I'll drill that out or cut it out so that I could get the so the food will drop through. And over the last week, or last 2 weeks, this has been sitting on my desk running, and I've got the microcontroller programmed with a 24-hour clock. So every day at 1 p.m. it was dropping food, or well, it was spinning to drop food. It didn't really drop the food. So I'm going to get started mounting this. These are the spacer, so about half the screw sticks out, and it's about half the thickness of the plywood, so all the way through. So kind of deformed on printer. Does it work? Right, so that now mounts in there very nicely. Cool. So I'm going to get a marker. Alright, I found a Nardi pencil. Nardi.org. Look it up. Alright. So now I got my hold position, and I drill it out. I opted for the Dremel route. Put this down. Brought the whole pack just in case. Hopefully 2 will do the job. Leftovers. It is new. May not quite be making it through to the other side. Here's the fish. Let's try a drill bit. Go all the way through so we can find out where we're at. It's free. Alright. Lines are pretty good. I think it's gonna work. Woo! Blade number 2. Good thing I had my safety glasses on, but it hit me in the cheek. Sprung a leak too. Got a little bit of blood. Dremel, most dangerous tool in the garage. Alright, that's the Dremel telling me it's good enough. We'll see if any fish food get caught in that little hole. Hopefully not. And there you have it, the piece de resistance. So I don't want to hear your belly aching in the comments, so if you don't like the video, just give me a thumbs down and unsubscribe. Thanks for watching.